Mini USB to USB cable. UGREEN Mini USB cable connects the USB laptop, hub, or other USB devices to the device with Mini B.NOTE. It's not a micro USB charging cable. Please be aware of the type before you buy it. High-speed transfer. This USB Mini 2.0 cable transfer data speed up to 480 megabits per second, which is backward compliant with full-speed USB 1.1, 12 megabits per second, and low-speed USB 1.0, 1.5 megabits per second. Fast charging. Mini USB B cord provides two-way power charging for devices with a mini USB port. Never worry about running out of power on your mini port device again. Wide compatibility. Mini USB charger cable is compatible with GoPro HERO 3 Plus, Garmin GPS Receiver, Dash Cam, Canon Digital Cameras, PlayStation 3, PS3 controller, SAT navigation, MP3 player, TI-84, Zoom mic, PDA and other devices with Mini B 5-pin connector. Durable flexible. The upgraded SR, strain relief, stress joints of the USB mini cord is longer than other joints so that the cable interface will not break easily. The durable PVC jacket ensures it can still provide reliable charging and data transfer after 10,000 bend tests. Top reviews from the United States. Replacement car cam power cord. This was a gamble and it paid off. I expected to be disappointed after paying to have a car camera professionally installed and the cord break. I was pleasantly surprised. It worked great.